Beijing office, our own development teams. And our third office will be in PJCC to be launched sometime 23rd of this month. Okay. I think just now I already played the video. So our main objective, why we come here to introduce the uCloud, actually we are offering an exclusive package to Magic's members, where you are the entrepreneurs. You already got your own project to start to making income or whatever to establish your business. And how about the accounting side? How about the investor side? How about the statistic report to be given to Magic or whichever grant you the facility or capital investment, things like that, to prove that you are growing, you are performing. Okay, why we come up with this UberAccountant in 8 hours? Accounting platform, we, from a professional audit firm background, will teach you from nuts to know double entry, bookkeeping, things like that, in order to control your own business costing, revenue, and towards the main objective, profit. If you are an entrepreneur, profit is your main objective. And we help you to do the calculation, computation, to show your profit and your growth. Sorry. Okay. I think first of all, I just start out with this brief introduction of this very famous book, which is introduce you what are the things that investor will look at. It's a startup must-have. It's a very good Amazon bestseller currently in the market. Okay. Okay. The hands-on startup black book is from Harvey Welsh. You see, we cannot buy the address yet because we borrow the address below to introduce to you. Okay. Why we want to introduce this book for you? Because all of you, I believe, maybe 70% you are the startup. What is the most important thing? Where you get your capital is through investor. So, attract your investor. Okay, this one I just get. Okay. From this very short video clip, we actually show that there is no need to keep filing of your receipt document anymore. What you need to do is snapshot. Snapshot, the file that you keep is permanent. If you keep in the wallet or inside the car, your petrol bill nowadays, which is more on the receipt on the thermal paper, I guarantee you 1 month later, there's no information anymore, no figures anymore. If one day income tax come back to trace on your document, you got nothing to show. Once you snapshot, the moment that you snapshot, it is stored in the cloud. Just 1 second. Access it from the web browser to the database, it is there already. It keep permanently. So 7 years later, for income tax audit, you got no worry. You still got your document to prove. Okay, just enjoy the short clip. Okay, that's all. Okay, all right, very short video. Okay, I think got some speaker problem. Okay, then we link to. Okay, introduction of uCloud accounting platform. Malaysia. We already, and Indonesia will be the next one. For university in Malaysia, we have signed the MOU here. We'll gather Uber accountants training to be certified as an Uber accountant in APU Bukit Jalil. When you do up your income statement, balance sheet, it will link to the e-filing directly. This is in the collaboration. And next one will be GST. At the moment, our GST, we still maintain it in our bookkeeping record. But future, we will collaborate with link to the government agency. Not only for Malaysia, it's for worldwide market. Okay, our screen is very simple. This is a little bit blur. We just need to know new voucher, and then financial report, general ledger, chart of account. That's it. Means that as long as you got your chart of account, you maintain your snapshot of the bills, scan of the copy of the bills, you can do double entry. Then instantly, income statement and balance sheet will be generated. It linked to your smartphone as well. Okay, this is our existing platform. We will have client management, contract management. Contract management basically stands for UberAccountant. Once our USA company searching any UberAccountant in KL, so they will approach each other, then enroll into the contract. The contract will specify what are the monthly accounting charges, how is the mode of payment, things like that, and the validity of the contract. Everything stored in the cloud. Okay. We have payment management and collection and payment. It indicates whether your customer already pay you or not. If they pay you, that means that you continue to provide services. If they didn't pay you, then we need to look for letter requesting for the payment, things like that. Everything controlled in the apps. We have project management coming soon, and management report will be referring to the existing apps boss report. For a boss, for an entrepreneur like you, what do you need? Every day, how many invoices you issue out? What are your costs, your expenses, and your inventory level, for example? Okay. Okay. We are a SaaS model platform. SaaS stands for Software as a Services. And previously, our on-the-shelf software is just a software by itself. And they are single entry. Ours one is double entry. We have collaborated with ACCA and MIA. Our main objective for the collaboration is we want to uplift the accounting standard for Malaysia, especially university graduates. When we go to university, what is our main objective? We want to cut short the unemployment period. We want to reduce the unemployment rate for Malaysia graduates. If you've got friends studying accounting background or whatever, do introduce them to us. We want to recruit as many UberAccountant as we can. All right. We target for small and micro company. We are not targeting like supermarket, things like that. It's for micro, especially it's a startup or you manage your own family business, things like that. You use uCloud accounting to maintain your accounting. Okay. This is our apps. I believe. How many of you have downloaded our apps? Okay, have registered? Thank you so much. Redeemed the cable already? Okay, after you have downloaded the apps, right, you notice there's an apply trial account. You go to apply trial account, then put in your phone number and email address, click submit. Come and redeem the cable. Okay. It's like if you got more members want to redeem a cable, come, we want to give away all the cable today. I got more than 100. Okay, UberAccountants. This is after you have downloaded the folder from your mobile apps. You can see this is a Google Map. Any official UberAccountant register with us, we actually list them officially, worldwide basis, not only for Malaysia. We can search from the app. If you browse your Google Map to Myanmar, you can find 2 accountants there. Vietnam, we got 2 also. Singapore, we got 1. Is currently actively involved in the bookkeeping business with uCloud accounting. Okay. And for your information, I think we will have about 400 universities in Africa to adopt uCloud accounting as their subject platform. For those who have downloaded and the apps, right, you can actually create a new company, put in your own name, then you go to UberAccountant and select bookkeeper to browse for the UberAccountant. At the moment, our achievement, 8 years office at Beijing with our own boss from Kuching as a leader, we cover 500,000 companies in China. Okay, we aggressively involved in One Belt, One Road project, bringing those China entrepreneurs, China companies to Malaysia. And I have shared with my Magic gang as well. We will bring in, once the China entrepreneurs, they come in, we will also bring them to visit Magic Center as well, as see whether can link up with more opportunity to our Malaysian. Okay, we are the only one in Asia to establish these UberAccountants. Okay, we are the only accounting firm, Crow Howard, the fifth largest audit firm in Malaysia is Crow Howard. Crow Howard East Malaysia actually done by us. We are the first one who bring in Crow Howard to East Malaysia, sometime 12 years ago. Okay, we basically target for accountants and bookkeepers, but for Magic's member entrepreneurs, we exclusively give additional complimentary training until you can maintain your own bookkeeping. Okay, we also have CRM platform to maintain your customers' database, address, email, phone number, so that in future we can link up whenever you want to do a marketing to existing customer. You can actually just one button, then it shows to every of your customers. Okay, these are the summary. We are online accounting. No more hardware, things like that. No hardware, software upgrading, nothing. Every month, just 25 ringgit. 1 year later, GST rules or income tax rule change, no additional cost to the users. We practice the same cost across the world. Okay, you can work anywhere with the apps. Where you buy AirAsia ticket, remember this week got offer. Okay, AirAsia zero fare again. You buy again, next year March, you can have holiday in Bali or whatever. You still can do your accounting while you are enjoying your holidays. Okay, SSL security, we are a secure website. I think three years ago, when I first used internet banking for my own bank account, I also keep asking, secure or not? And today, as long as we can see HTTPS, we log on our internet banking account, transfer fund accordingly, just like very common daily operation method anymore. So today, accounting also the same thing. We have a secure website to maintain all your database. And only you and as a CIM user to log in. I myself, I cannot log into your database. Borderless means this is open because we are the only Malaysian developer to have this app and platform used by worldwide market. We'll go to every country. We are aggressively in recruiting country partners. If you do have any contact from any other country, do introduce to us. Okay, we cut down the logistic cost. Why? Because if you engage an accountant to do the services for you, they need to come to your place to take your document, go back and do. And now no more. What you need to do, snapshot or scan. They don't need to come to your place. You also don't need to drive there, send over your document. Okay. One-click tax submission. This is our future collaboration with LHDN and GST. At the moment, our current version, we haven't linked up yet. Okay. Because we just launched it in May. Our apps launched in July. So within this 3 to 4 months, we cover a few countries' master reseller scheme and also universities collaboration projects. Okay, this one I mentioned now. Okay, now I want to talk about the number 3, passive income. That's why I said, once Magic's member, young entrepreneurs like you go, once you master your own bookkeeping, you can actually offer bookkeeping services to your friends, relatives, and that gives you passive income. And today, but it's not true. We need to have single end up she master reseller 200 per month. This is our platform, also one of the response to our Chief Minister Sarawak Digital Economic Transformation and also to our Prime Minister's mission. I think Cyberjaya is considered DFTZ, right? Digital Free Trade Zone for digital economy and mobile tech, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, we have other income opportunities to offer. If among all the Magix members, you can already master to the uCloud accounting, we can see the potential. You come and register with us if you are interested to become the trainers. The trainers is just help us to go, for example, if I can have a session of 50 Uber accountants, so we need a trainers to go and train. Because now we just newly established our office in KL, we're still looking for potential trainers to join with us. Okay, the next will be accounting supervisor. Look, university graduates, they do not have experience yet, but we are from Krohower. We want to ensure quality control is there. We want a senior supervisor which got experience in his book, then can or city partners to us, like a percent of the fee is chargeable to the referrer. Lifetime. Okay, I want to show you a few photos. This is the demo that we have done in Kuching for Unimas, University of Malaysia, Sarawak. We already signed the MOA with them. And Unimas is the only university, I think the exclusive one. They want FEM International Mobile Technologies entire business. They become our collaboration partners. We have online or social media advertisement. So Unimas offer graphic design students to help us. We have uCloud accounting. They offer their accountancy faculty students to become our Uber accountants. Whatever products that we have, we also have robotic coming soon. 3D printer business for Malaysia as well. 3D printer, we can print what do you call a lamp with your own name. This is the only one in the world that belongs to you. Okay. ACC and MIA, we collaborate with them. The main purpose that we meet ACC and MIA is we want to show that we want to demo our accounting apps and the platform, see whether acceptable or not. And we have received a very good phrase from MIA. We will uplift the accounting standard for Malaysia. Why? Just because of double entry, and it's simple enough to use. Okay, this is my first Uber accountant workshop in Kuching, because since our HQ is at Kuching, we done it in Kuching first. We have approximately 90 Uber accountants attending our course right now. Because once they finish our examination, they'll be certified officially in our apps. Okay. ACCA conference, we also attended. We have been visited by our second finance minister, Dato Sri Haji Johari. So he even pointed to our booth, he said that this is the future. He told the reporters, this is the future. All right. Okay, this is my collaboration with my Magix gang. I haven't seen my brothers yet. Is that nanti mesti peluk dia. Okay, we also done our demo in Polytechnic Kuching. We also encourage young blood to study accounting. We want to encourage them. Accounting is a never dying business. My friend Jesse also told me this. Accounting is a very fundamental tool for you. Every business segment, you need to have accounting properly done up. Why? Profit. You yourself want profit. You need to show your banker of your profit. You need to show your investor of your profit. If not, you are not considered as entrepreneur. Agree? Right hand, agree? Thank you so much. Okay, this is the one that we done in Puchong. Okay. Kedah. We have passed through the committee members meeting, demonstration among the top management. Okay. This is University Science Malaysia, Penang. We also sit in for the first demonstration for USM. Because you see, why we go to Kedah, we go to Penang. Our future Uber accountant training will be done by university itself. And also their graduate student. Why after they graduate, they immediately participate in our Uber accountant programs. University, we are also, okay. Persatuan Ibu Tunggal Sarawak is one of the non-profit organizations with single mothers members in the group. Okay, whoever already downloaded the apps and registered, come and redeem the cable. Okay. This one all finished. Okay, now I log into my platform, UACC. It's very simple. As long as you can log into Internet Explorer or whatever, this is the link. Okay, I show you my example. Oh, okay. This is a testing database, so I show once. Okay. Okay. This account detail breakdown. Account detail breakdown basically is a general ledger that we are concerning. Okay. We put in the template. Okay. Then next, voucher entry. We have few type of voucher: journal voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, AR invoicing, and AP invoicing. What we need to do is, reference number is by running itself. We specify the date, also follow the computer date. Account name, we just choose it from here. It will prompt out automatically. Then description, debit amount, credit amount. If the entry is not balanced, it cannot be saved. Once you save, you can actually use monthly copy to copy for the next month. Okay. The next one, voucher management. This one I want to show you here. This is okay, sorry. Okay, document picture. Let me take up. Okay, this is the one of the example of the bills. We have snapshot from smartphone, and this is a record 296 per ad. Of course, when we snapshot purple one. This is just my testing one. Then we can do, and these are the details. We'll do entry based on all this snapshot document. Okay, I would like to give it a try. Okay, example. Who got the bills right now? Gentlemen, you got any bills in your wallet? Come, I want to invite you here. You help me to snapshot. Can I borrow? Okay. What is this? How many days you keep this? You see, you're already almost the figure, so you cannot trace anymore. All right. Okay, Mr. DIY. All right. 32 ringgit 40 cents. Okay. Okay. Third, or 17. 17.60 pay by cash. Okay. Office expenses. Okay. Can see the detail. It's quite blur. This is the one. You keep it for another few more days, gone. But this one permanent. Just 1 second only. After I snapshot and upload, 1 second, it will go to the cloud. And the cloud, the space, the storage capacity is no limit, sky limit. So 17, 16, but a bit blur because from the projector screen. So with this entry, we actually do double entry. Debit office expenses, 17 ringgit 60 cents, credit our cash. And after I've done the transaction, my phone is immediately updated with the latest income statement. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to show my balance sheet. No, one more, okay. I show my entry since okay, these are all my entry. But a bit blur, a bit, okay, let me try open one. Okay, you see, if I'm the reviewer, my Uber accountant do this for me, I'm the senior. Now I'm having holiday at Jakarta, example. I see this entry, debit, credit, correct, okay. I click review, verified. As long as this voucher is being verified, means that the quality control has been imposed. Right. Again, for Magic's members who do not have accounting background as well, we also confident that we can teach. You just give us 8 hours. 2 hours per session, I can guarantee you, you can do your own accounting. The only condition is to sign up as our subscriber. 25 ringgit per month, that's it. After 25 ringgit per month, first month, second month, you feel that you no need to use it anymore, stop, no problem. But whatever you gain on the accounting knowledge is forever permanent here. You can manage your own account. All right? Okay, I show you the balance sheet. Okay, this is how it looks like. You see, fixed asset, total asset value. And this is the actual purchase of motor vehicle. Okay, my next one will be see our revenue, our cash, expenses, cost of sales. Sorry, brother. I need to touch the computer. Okay. Sorry, I need to find a way to scroll the things. Yeah, I need to show the bottom report. Okay, great. You see, at the end of the day, what we need to do is we need to know the profit. After your profit, then how much tax you need to pay. If without paying tax, you cannot do loan from the banker, buying car, buying house. Okay, why we need to do accounting report? Basically, there's to show your profit, to show to the bank for your car loan and housing loan, and for your business loan. Also for your business grant, subsidy, things like that, to ensure your business expansion and grow towards international market. Okay. Okay, so far, anyone haven't downloaded the apps? Have you applied the trial account? You can try to apply the trial account. Just put in your email address and phone number, submit, that's it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. When you register for the apps, right? Plus country code, you put 6. Then the next column, you put your own number, 012 234 567. Any question, is it? Yeah, I can open for Q&A any time. You just stop me, no problem. Okay. Pardon? Is that for accounting or how?
Yeah, it's an accounting online system as well.
Can I explore here?
Yes.
Accounting. Is it on single entry or double entry? I never see before. I never explore. You touch it before?
Yes, we're using Wave app right now actually.
Huh?
My company using Wave app right now.
Oh, okay. How much does this cost you?
0.
0.
It's free, it's free.
So those without accounting knowledge, how to use? Anyone train them or not?
Hold on, I think the better person to answer is...
Yeah, okay. Sharing, thank you so much.
What is your meaning single entry and double entry?
Okay, single entry means if your apps is showing payment, then you go to make payment via cashbook to the payee. This is called single entry because you will not know what is the double entry at the back end.
Oh.
Invoicing, you go and issue invoice to customer, key in the amount, then print the invoice. That is single entry platform.
Oh, so this one actually is double entry. That's very basic things actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and no inventory system.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And free of charge, do they provide training?
No, but it's quite easy to use lah.
Oh, what I mean if those without accounting entry, okay to take up the double entry or how? Debit, credit only? Oh, but what about entrepreneur? Because if I'm the engineer, I'm good in engineering project, but I may not good in accounting. So we need to teach all these entrepreneurs to learn.
Yes, I agree. I need to...
A lot of people here, they do not have accounting background, so they cannot imagine how P&L looks like. What is the
I showed the P&L just now.
I mean, it's so small.
Oh, okay. This one is okay. Oh, this is an accounting. Oh, okay. You see.
I have a receipt.
Okay. Okay, wait. Let me settle this. This invoicing, if we go in, can go in. Can try to log in. I can see it's mostly on single entry lah. Because you do invoicing, right? Right. Then how do they invoice? The invoicing is to create and send invoices. So where's okay. But ours one, we provide income opportunity. That's the only difference. Okay. Okay.
I would like to know, is your solution possible for me? I mean, like if I use your software, you said that it will provide accounting entry up to financial statement?
Balance sheet, income statement, yes.
Yeah, so I can print this and submit to LHDN?
Yes.
That's good. And you also have a inventory system?
Inventory, no. We are double entry bookkeeping system.
I see.
You see, for you to submit to income tax, as long as you got your income statement properly done up and your balance sheet, the net profit for the year is for you to bring it over for e-filing. For example, if I'm an Uber driver, now every time I carry passenger, fetch passenger, at the end of the year, I receive CP58 from Uber Malaysia. That CP58 is my gross income. If I don't do accounting, income tax me based on CP 58 total amount. Okay, if I do accounting, I set up my own company as an Uber driver, I take out the petrol cost, repair and maintenance, all these things as expenses. Then income tax me based on my net profit. That's the difference.
Yep. You mentioned that the records will be kept on the clouds, but we still need to keep our physical receipt up to 7 years.
You keep for your filing, that's why no doubt. But for example, the receipt just now, the Mr. DIY one, you cannot trace any more detail. Though you still file it, 7 years later or 6 years later, for income tax come to you, you actually show a blank paper.
Okay.
And blank paper cannot be proven. They will not accept as a tax deduction expenses. Basically, just add back the item and charge the 20% or 24% tax rate, then ask you to pay. Plus the penalty amount. That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Just now you said, okay, you said you want to see the how to do the posting, right?
The flow.
Okay. This one is too. Okay. I zoomed out the page. You see, this is the photo, the snapshot of the bill. Okay. I will do my entry here. Even though very small. Clark or ourselves. Because normally I assume I'm the user because I'm the young entrepreneur.
Just now we snap picture of the receipt and then it reached to the.
Oh, that one is for UberAccountant. For example, after you attended this training, you found that this is a good business opportunity for you yourself. You can actually offer to your client to do accounting for them. So they just snapshot the bills. You stay here to do the accounting. You don't need to travel around. So whatever bills documented, they actually just snapshot and already keep in the store, on the cloud. Okay, for example here, this expense is 296.6. I put it as entertainment expenses, for example. Okay, I put coffee, food and drink. Amount 296.80. Then paid by cash. Expenses, description no need to key in. I only go to credit side, 296.8 or 296. Then GST, I put 80 cents. Just an example. As long as this entry is balanced up, then we can save. I save it. Done, one entry, payment entry. This will be reflected in the income statement. Okay, I go to retrieve it. This one. Okay, let me see here. This expenditure. Sorry, I'm not get used to this PC. Okay. Under sales and distribution header, entertainment, 296.8. 1 second. Your document still there. Your double entry is just right below your document. In future, when I want to trace this 296.8, I just drill down and go back to the photo, print out. Okay, yeah. Thank you for sharing.
Okay. As I know, right, in Malaysia's law, there's not acceptable about the document to convert, become digitalized. So they must use the original one for submission, tax, whatever, right?
Okay. I've attended quite a number of tax audit, frankly speaking. If, for example, the petrol bills, already non-traceable petrol bill, income tax, we just add back. If I can still print out with the figures, I can get it tax deducted.
What about if our company, we do purchase, so we need the invoice from supplier side, right? We need their company chop and sign.
This one still got. what I'm trying to say is, if you lost it or the document non-traceable for detail anymore, you still have this version to prove it for tax deduction. I'm not saying that you totally need to destroy the document, no. Client still keep at client's office. Just 1 second, the document is back up.
But auditor can't accept. Auditor can't approve one if you don't have the original one, right?
No, because I done
You can't get through
accounting
auditor
and
side.
audit, tax, secretarial also we done in the cohort.
Even you mean the whole company without any document, any physical document,
No.
or digitalized?
You see, document you still need it. If the petrol bill, for example, the whole state of for Uber driver example, 1 whole year my petrol slip is non-traceable anymore. It could end up to 10,000 figures. But I could no proof to income tax, so I cannot deduct as expenses. If I got this one, I can print out, total up to 10,000, tally to the figures that I reported in my income statement. Yes, that is tax deductible.
As a backup, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You still need to keep under company acts.
Sorry, one more.
For instance, like the case, right? Actually, if once you have a soft copy of that receipt, it's just like, for instance, like you photocopy a version of it. So actually, you need to print out, because the original is already gone already. So you need to print that out and verify it with the original company. Let's say my receipt is from DIY. So you print out the soft copy version, and then you just get it verified by DIY. So that become your new original copy, that you have a physical copy. Let's say the LHDN come and audit you. That's based on my experience. You can use that because at least you got a copy of that.
Yeah, good idea too. I've done few audit. Basically, as long as we can prove with the document and figures, it's tax deductible.
Yeah, I got it. Then, sorry, another question is for Uber accounting, right? So, yes, we can use that way to do our account, but what about bookkeeping? So who gonna to do the bookkeeping part?
Client themselves.
But
They
can I-
pay lower accounting fee. You see, for Uber accountant, right? If I'm the client, now I'm paying 1,000 per month. If I pass this to Uber accountant, because I can select 3 Uber accountant for my apps, they quote me. I can choose until for 600 one. Because I already set 400 for my business. So I just need to do for it myself. The only difference is, if you, for Magic's members, because we want Magic member to know how to maintain their own account. That's why we come here for as an exclusive package for Magic's member. But for a businessman, I still need to keep. But in fact, I got my cost saving into accounting fee. 400 times 12, that's my 1 month saving already. I think you all of you can take my name card, because even though like last weekend we had an event at Selangor Smart City Future Commerce, we also participated there. We received a very good response, especially when people say, audit firm, accounting firm also can have this platform to turn away the business. If now I'm the accounting firm, what is my problem? I don't have staff. Young graduates, they work, experience still very fresh, and they work maybe 1 month, 2 months, need to go traveling, every day come to work 9 to 6, very boring job. Don't forget, now is the 90s and millennials who come to the business environment. Why we have co-working space? Why we have Magic? All these young guns, they like enjoy this type of the environment while working, while entrepreneurship. It's totally different environment from previous accounting firm. Even with the change of the Company Act 2016, anyone informed to the public, accounting firm, all company secretary, those already reached 60 years old and above, they prefer to resign as company secretary. Why? Companies Act 2016 and the SSM lodgement, all these things, all go for e-filing. E-lodgement, income tax e-filing, SSM e-lodgement. Now accounting, e-accounting. MIA's officer in charge, Miss Fong Jing, they quote me a very good sentence. Nowadays, accounting firm either follow to this e-trend or left out. Simple. Even Alibaba.com also came here. Alibaba.com now is aggressively promoting the e-commerce subject. We are one of the training college also for East Malaysia. We also train them to the public. Whoever want to involve in e-commerce business, they come and attend for the training. Yep, thank you. Okay.
Hello. I have a question about the Uber accountant. Do you need a special kind of a qualification? Let's say that I have clients that actually wants me to help him to do that kind of entry and all, to verify those bills and everything. So, because actually I'm acting as an accountant on behalf of that client. So do I need any special qualification or anything? Because afterwards that they need to submit for the income tax. So would the LHDN requires me to submit my qualification as an accountant to this client?
Okay, you see, nowadays, income tax, they will only allow auditor or tax agent to come in to represent on behalf of the client, unless client give an authorization letter. But if I'm an Uber driver, if one day income tax want to look, I cannot pay, I don't want to pay to the tax agent or whatever to hand over for me, to handle for me, I'll go myself and with my Uber accountant. Because income tax, what they want, your document, accounting treatment, any other things? This too is a fundamental one. Whether you declare all your income or not. If you have 5 pieces of CP58, you got Grab car, Uber accountant, all this income you never declare, you only declare one, then that is your own risk. Of course, when you can see from our apps, you can apply as Uber accountant from the app itself. You need to attach your highest qualification, example, degree in accountancy, MIA member or SCCA or whatever, attach it there. Then attach your CV. We will do the filtering. Then we will shortlist the qualified one. Either a superior Uber accountant or just a junior. Junior Uber accountant basically apply to the university graduates.
So basically what you mean is actually when the people from the LHDN come and audit us, let's say I'm the Uber accountant that does not have account qualifications. So we provide them with all the documents that we have compiled for them and they themselves deal with the LHDN.
Yeah. You can follow your client together. Like I myself, my experience at first, I just graduated from my ACCA degree that time, and I already start in business line. I provide accounting services. Whenever my client receive desk audit or field audit from the income tax, I will accompany my client until the end. And for example, if now income tax you 10,000, then we'll see which part they tax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, got each questionnaire, each finding one. One by one, I trace back the document, present to them, then cut off, end up maybe just pay a few hundred. Or some even, if you got sufficient document, no need to pay any extra. Because we collaborate with MIA and SCCA, our Uber accountant must have accounting qualification. We want to ensure the quality control and the accounting standard is there. But for Magic's member, we actually, those without accounting knowledge, we train them to do their own accounting. If they have accounting background, accounting qualification, then we can invite them to be our Uber accountant. But for this package, we actually for maintaining their own account. We'll train from balance sheet, fixed asset, current liability, equity, sales, cost of sales, expenses, tax provision, how to take up. We'll train. Just 8 hours. I'm confident. I just see that it seems like you're very severe, but we are confident we can give that 8 hours free of charge. You can manage your own account, guarantee one. Any other question? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can take our name card or whatever, or log on to our website, likes our Facebook. Then any inquiry, you can also throw it to us. Either email or WhatsApp contact number. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for coming for